Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to manage digit text alerts. Are you looking to stay informed through text or just reduce alert clutter? Or here's how to manage your digit text notifications. First thing, open the Digit app and tap your profile icon in the top corner. From there, you're going to select settings and then choose notifications under settings. You'll see options for different types of alerts. You have savings transfer alerts, go progress alerts, and account updates alerts. You can toggle each one on and off depending of course on what you'd like to receive via text. If you prefer to stop all text completely, just reply stop to any messages from Digit. If you want to resume again later, all you got to do is simply text back start. Managing your alerts helps you to stay informed without the overwhelm. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Check out our other Digit tutorials to master smart savings. Don't forget to like the video and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next one.